What you're seeing here is a plaque that has hardened into tartar. This usually builds up behind the teeth and close to the gums over a period of time. I had something very similar behind my teeth. It wasn't painful, but it was uncomfortable. I could constantly feel it, especially near the back of my front teeth, and it just didn't feel clean. Before going straight to the dentist, I thought let me check if there's something online that can help with the basic home maintenance. While searching on Amazon, I came across this electric sonic tooth cleaning tool that honestly surprised me. I didn't expect something like this for home use, so I decided to give it a try and ordered it. The price was around Rs 1500 to 1600, which felt reasonable if it could help with the plaque and tartar buildup. Here it is. The model number is 055. There is no big branding on the box. It looks like a generic product, most likely imported. But the packaging is neat. Everything is white, clean and minimal. It actually looks quite classy. Let's open it and see what we get inside. Inside the box, you get a clearly illustrated instruction manual. You get the electric tooth cleaner itself, but in black. You also get a dental mirror, which is very helpful. There is a Type-C charging cable and a Ziploc pouch with extra metal tips, which also includes a small spanner. The device looks glossy black and feels solid in hand. On the top, there is this bent metal tip. This is the attachment that helps loosen and lift off hardened buildup. The branding on the body says Hania. There is a small white power button. Above that is an LED display. And at the tip, there is an LED light. That light helps a lot when you're working inside the mouth, especially near corners. The body has grips, so it feels secure while using. Let me turn it on. You can see the battery indicator on the display, which is useful. There are 3 working modes: low, medium and high, indicated by numbers 1, 2 and 3. The LED light turns on automatically when the device is on. When it's running, it's very quiet. You don't feel strong vibration in your hand, but when you lightly touch the tip, you feel a mild tingling sensation which shows it's vibrating. To show that it's actually working, I sprayed some mist on the tip. You can see the droplets jumping. That shows high frequency sonic vibration. Now let me show it on a chalk surface. It creates a small scratch on the chalk, and as I hold it there longer, it actually starts digging into the chalk. That gives you an idea of how it can break down hardened deposits. I've already used this once before filming, and from my experience, it removed most of my plaque and tartar buildup, which honestly impressed me. There are 2 main types of attachments. One is a flat head for surface cleaning and stains. The other is a sharper tip for corners and gaps. Let me show you how to change the tip. You use the small spanner provided. It's a threaded fit. You don't need too much force. Just loosen it by hand and tighten the new attachment. Now I have attached the flat head. I will start on the tooth surface. You can see some surface stains here. I can clearly feel vibration on the teeth, but when it touches the gums, I didn't really feel much at all. It feels controlled and manageable. It slowly loosens and lifts surface buildup rather than aggressively scraping. The dental mirror is very helpful for cleaning back of the teeth. I can clearly see what I am doing. At the back, it's doing a good job removing plaque and tartar. There is still some discoloration that needs more time, but the improvement is visible. Now I will switch to the sharper tip. This is mainly for edges and gaps between teeth. In these areas, slight bleeding can happen, especially if there was buildup close to the gums. That's fairly common. You just need to be gentle and avoid pressing too hard. Overall, this is a very useful home oral care tool. It's not a replacement for professional dental cleaning, but it really helps with maintenance between dentist visits. The charging port is at the back with a rubber flap, making it water resistant and easy to clean. For 1500 to 1600 rupees, it feels like a practical tool to have at home.